What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got some Black Friday deals. We already covered Cyber Monday. Somehow they got here before Black Friday shopping did, but nonetheless, here we are. Black Friday deals. CircleBDiecast.com. Really good deals. So let's take a look. Let's get this bad boy out of here. Packed with packing peanuts. I guess since this one's already showing, we'll just take a look. Got the Christine Plymouth Fury Evil version. I'm a scary movie type of guy, so had to get this one. But with that out of the way, now we can rock back some NASCAR. So let's just get all the peanuts out of the way. You know, they load them up. I don't know really which order to go in. I guess we'll try to pull out something. I don't know. Got two 124s in here and then a little bit of 164 action. But we'll take a look right there at what that is. The Plan B Sales Bristol Win autograph. This bad boy is the dual autograph with Dale Earnhardt Jr. as well. So we'll take a look at it. Probably near the end we'll go over. But there we go. Take a look at that. There's me in the reflection. 1 of 96 dual auto. So we will check back in on that one near the end of the video. May as well get out. Well, let's try to move these just for the time being and get the other one out, because this one is the Michael and Ed Daytona Win autographed. This one was really cheap and I got the 164, so I thought I may as well go ahead and match them up. This ended up being about 26 bucks, and I thought that was pretty good for a winner and for an autograph. So not sure if a sticker's missing there, but who knows. Maybe not, because it's a special edition box. But again, we will go over this one a little bit later as well. A lot of these bad boys autographed, but yeah, nice to get a special box. Not the regular one, but since I see this one poking out, I will go over this first 164. I got this to match the 124. We got Noah Gragson's Plan B Sales 2020 ride. So that is definitely to match. Next, William Byron's 2017 Iowa Win. I'm a decent-sized William Byron fan. So I thought, may as well rock that out. Next, 2015 Joey Logano Discount Tire Ford in the Xfinity Series, Nationwide Series, you know. And while that one's there, let me find the other one, because I know it's coming. 2015 Hertz, number 22. Got those two basically just because. And then last one in the box, Justin Allgaier, Dover Win, 2020. Tried to get the 124 for really cheap, but sold out, missed out by a few minutes on that one. That would have been nice to match. Well, there goes that. Next, Jamie McMurray, 2014, I believe. Cessna NASCAR Salutes. Got this one based off the paint scheme. Really pretty. Really good looking. Next, Jimmy Johnson 2020 Ally White And I believe this one is the Blue Cross and Blue Shields. Yes. And then last 164 is the 2021 Joey Logano AAA. Most of the 2021s were $4, and all the other ones were about $2.50, so decent deal here. So let's see if I can just go ahead and move the box. And bring these in. So there is the 164s. And we're going to take a look at the 124s in a little bit more detail right about now. Alright, first one up is the Michael Annett Daytona win. Autographed. Boom. Good looking car. Good looking signature. Of course, this is his first career win and only win in the Xfinity Series. And now he is retired and moving on. Surprisingly, not much race detail for a Daytona, but beautiful car, beautiful autograph, beautiful box for that matter, so glad to get it. But the next one up is the Noah Gragson, so we will take a look at that one right about now. So here it is, a little bit cooler than the Michael Annett, both because of the autographs and because of the damage, of course, being Bristol. So we'll take a look real quick just down the side. Bristol damage. Go ahead and look at the front. And while we're there, we'll take a look. Noah Gragson autograph. And so we will take a look, and there is the Dale Jr. autograph. DIN number 2. And then down this side, of course, a little bit more damage. Bristol damage. Beautiful paint scheme, made better by 2 great autographs and big time damage, short track racing. So good deals all around. One more look. I like that autograph a lot. And then juniors. So try to look at them together. There they are. Let's move the box real quick and bring in both of these. The 9's rolling away from the frame, so we'll straighten that up. Maybe now they're both rolling. Okay. And let's just bring in the rest real fast if they can. There we go. There's the matching rides. Johnson. Allgaier. And a bunch of Logano. But there they go. 2 beautiful Xfinity autographs, Xfinity wins. And then 8 NASCAR Diecast along with the Christine. But that will do it for this one. Leave a comment on which autograph's your favorite, which ride's your favorite. And check back in the next one. Like this video and subscribe for more. Thank you guys.